got a couple shoplifters here.
He's sitting up here struggling all on me. He didn't have to do all that.
They've hit this location 3 times.
Okay.
They stole, last time they stole 4 bottles of Hennessy and some beer.
One thing that I'll address with this is in the state of Wisconsin, they're allowed to use what's reasonable force to stop shoplifting.
Yeah.
This is legal all the time because a person is grabbing on you that is not law enforcement. So
Right.
On September 24th, 2024, officers responded to a retail theft call at a Super One store in Wisconsin. The common belief surfaces here that a store employee who physically grabs a shoplifter is committing assault. That belief is legally wrong.
we got a couple shoplifters here.
He's sitting up here struggling all on me. He didn't have to do all that.
Where do you want to go?
Can you come to the office?
No, we can talk out here. The police here. Could we talk out here?
How about they go and we talk?
Okay, well.
Okay, I'll be waiting.
I'll come talk to you guys in a minute.
Yeah, let me go.
Okay.
He was with me.
You're gonna come back.
They don't gotta be right here.
Paula, do you want to go? I'll come talk to you guys in a second.
Sitting up there grabbing on me like that.
Let me just get them from the top. Okay.
Bro, now I'm out of breath. No.
54, we're just gonna be in the.
Okay, y'all can go. I'm talking to the police.
I'll stand right here.
If you guys don't mind, just.
Bro, I'm not gonna talk if they don't move around. No, he can get all that.
Let me start. Obviously, I work for so they had called. You have a prior theft from Super One, from what I'm gathering, and then something from Keyport.
No.
Okay, that's all I know. So, do you guys want to fill me in on why I'm here?
Yeah, I guess we took some liquor. I gave him the liquor bag.
I don't know if my radio's working. We're fine. We're talking in the liquor store doors off of 22nd.
Okay, we did take some liquor, but I gave him back to him.
Today?
Yeah, it's right there. I just gave it to him.
Okay. Keyport has a photo of the 2 of you for shoplifting. That's the liquor store that's by the other Super One, where the viaduct is to go to Duluth.
Oh, okay.
So what they have given us this photo as an attempt to identify because you guys have a prior shoplifting there.
Okay.
And then, do you have one from Super One before? Okay.
I don't know. This is the only Super One liquor store we came to.
Do you guys have IDs with you?
No, I don't have my ID.
Okay.
But I will tell you my name and stuff like that.
I gotta look at what they are. I'm fairly certain there's gonna be that and like trespassing. They don't want you back with the 2. But it was an attempt to identify. So, what is your first name? Okay. Are you?
Same one.
Okay. Are you guys together?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have him look at what those were. If they're trespassing with their shoplifting tickets, if you have to pick kid up, we'll work with you for that.
Yeah.
One thing that I'll address with this is in the state of Wisconsin, they're allowed to use what's reasonable force to stop shoplifting.
Yeah.
This is legal off all the time because a person is grabbing on you that is not law enforcement. So
Right. That's what I'm saying. He had to grab me like that.
when my partner comes, I'll maybe flip-flop and talk to them and have him stay with you while we figure that part out. So you guys attempted to leave today without paying for anything, but you gave it back to them.
Yeah, I gave it to him.
Okay, what was it, do you know?
It was a bottle of Hennessy and crime oil.
Okay, so my second question is there alcohol consumption-wise resources that we can offer you?
Yeah, I do have a problem with alcohol.
Alcohol problem or?
Alcohol, yeah.
Okay, are you more dependent on alcohol or is it just?
No.
Okay, have you had treatment in the past?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about you?
I've been treated for this for drugs,
Okay, are you clean?
marijuana. Yeah.
Oh, marijuana, that's it, nothing hard?
I got pink eyes from both my eyes now.
Really? Okay. Did they touch you at all?
He went grab me. He grabbed me.
He tried to grab him off of me.
I
He
tried to
still
put
was
him on
grabbing,
her.
pulling my arm like this.
Okay.
So when he shot her down,
Right, he wouldn't let me get up. I'm like, can I stand up and put my shoes on? Because they came off.
I told him I wasn't gonna leave her.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, let's work it that way. We'll figure it out one way or the other. I will go talk to them every time we come to Super One and something like this happens. I have to have that same conversation of they're allowed to use reasonable force, but at the same time, completely understand when somebody is grabbing on you, that's not us.
Right, that's what I said.
What reasonable authority do you think that you have. Right. Yeah, I have no problem explaining that. They can use reasonable. Something it's not. If there's any type of PC or enforcement action that we can take. Do you mind hanging out with them while I go?
I think probably, were we physically fighting with the store? What's going on?
No,
They were-
they was up there grabbing us. Like I didn't physically hit nobody. I was just trying to get away. That's it.
Can you fill me in on?
Okay, so they've hit this location 3 times.
Okay.
They stolen. Last time they stole 4 bottles of Hennessy and some beer.
Okay.
Walked out similar to what they did. She had a purse, put it on her purse, walked out without paying for anything. I stopped her here. We had both the doors locked because we didn't want them to go out, and I had notified that there was a theft in progress since they've been met multiple times and they've been wanted. So
Okay.
called ahead, but I stopped her, identified myself as loss prevention. Then he talked to her about some unpaid merchandise she may have on her and other incidents that have occurred recently. I told her I wanted to see if she had any liquor inside her backpack. She admitted it. She handed me these 2 bottles.
Yep.
Tennessee. I told them they were under arrest for shoplifting and they weren't free to leave. They unlocked that door and kind of pushing out of it. I grabbed her arm, tried to bring her back into I want to bring them back into the office instead of in the middle of the exit way. They continued pushing, resisting, ended up.
But they, for the most part, ended up like pushing their way out. They didn't swing back or anything.
No, they didn't swing. They were just trying to get away. They weren't trying to hurt me, or they just wanted to get away. So they weren't aggressive. They were just trying to get away, but they were resisting arrest.
Okay. The ones that.
I have the case numbers for all of them in my office, but this is one of the ones that occurred that our manager Sue had.
There was PC for them for those ones before too?
Yes.
They haven't been handled or dealt with at all?
Nope, they've been looking for her. They've had the West Duluth, Super One, Liquor,
Okay.
Keyport. They've been 5 or 6 incidences just from our records.
Okay.
With the same car, same people, same descriptions.
Okay. Has he taken anything
Yes.
or has it been her?
He came in once by himself and took some things. I can't remember what exactly it was, but every other time he's been with her.
Okay.
So,
And there's all those different incidences?
yeah.
Okay.
I have a complete list in my office over in the grocery store, but
Okay. Let me...
Yeah.
I'll deal with them and then how long are you here till?
9.
Okay.
I think I would ask if you would check in her bag because we're missing 2 bottles of Hennessy.
I can pull it up right now. You want me to?
Yeah, you want to do that?
Okay. You guys have a car here? Okay. From what I've understood, West Duluth Super One, Keyport here, and this Super One all have incidences with you guys regarding theft.
Under Wisconsin Statute Section 943.50, subsection 3, a merchant may detain a suspected shoplifter in a reasonable manner. This doctrine is called the shopkeeper's privilege, a codified exception to civil liability for false imprisonment and battery. It requires 3 elements: reasonable cause to believe theft occurred, reasonable manner of detention, and a reasonable duration. The store agent here satisfied all 3. His conduct is not vigilantism, it is codified statutory authority. Once the officer arrives, the Fourth Amendment fully attaches and the constitutional framework governing the encounter shifts entirely. The subject's spontaneous admissions during on-scene questioning remain fully admissible, and Miranda warnings are not yet required. Miranda applies only to custodial interrogation, and investigative questioning during a merchant detention meets neither element. The moment handcuffs are applied, custody attaches, and any substantive questioning from that point forward requires warnings. The custodial arrest for a misdemeanor is authorized under Wisconsin Statute Section 968.07. The Supreme Court in Atwater versus City of Lago Vista confirmed that even minor offenses justify custodial arrest under the Fourth Amendment. The handcuffing sequence itself must be analyzed under Graham versus Connor, decided in 1989. That standard evaluates force by objective reasonableness from the officer's perspective at the moment of the decision, not with hindsight. 3 factors govern the analysis: the severity of the offense, the immediate threat posed, and whether the subject actively resists. Passive non-compliance permits only minimal control, while active resistance permits proportional escalation of force. The officer's verbal warning before escalating to ground stabilization is the doctrinal middle step, a required de-escalation attempt. Prior conduct also carries statutory weight. Wisconsin permits felony enhancement for repeat retail theft under aggregated value provisions. Pattern evidence across 3 stores and multiple documented incidents transforms this misdemeanor into a potential felony exposure.
The one in Duluth.
It's not no Superman living in Duluth.
Yeah, there is. By the Menards. In West Duluth. Anyway, regardless of it, there's 3 shopliftings that are involved here. One at Keyport. Yeah.
Here.
So
That's the only time I can't move.
he said there might be one where you were by yourself as well.
I bought some beer or something.
Oh, okay. So despite that, fact of the matter is that you guys are both under arrest for that. You have to pick up a child. So what we will do is be able to make it a little bit more seamless so that way you can go get child. But for the time being, for those ones, you guys are both under arrest. Do you have bottles of Hennessy in your backpack that they need to get back?
Did you put 2 Hennessy bottles in my bag?
Either way, we're going to find it. I just want to know if I can just get them back. So due to your eyes, I will just have you just turn around and put your hands behind your back. I don't want to contaminate at all. Yeah, they said that they're, yeah.
I don't have mush on or nothing else. I don't have anything else.
He has pink eye in both eyes. So do you mind handcuffing her and dealing with her stuff?
Why did I get handcuffed?
Because you're both under arrest.
Rubbish. You just said that we was getting just tickets though.
No, I have to deal with it a different way.
Why are you handling me? Can I just
Put your hands behind your back right now.
Okay, I'm not. You could at least let me at least put my phone up or something then.
We'll put it in your backpack. Just gonna try and get this a little bit better with the door.
Right, see, how you finna arrest me with all this in my hand?
Drop it.
I was trying to put it
Put it
down.
on the ground. What are you doing?
Bro, hands out. You do not have to do it.
Cut it out right now.
Because you do not have to have me
Cut
like
it
that.
out.
Okay, give me up one.
Cut it out. Stop
Yeah,
moving.
I'm not even doing
Stop
this.
moving. Stop moving right now. Are you done?
Yes, I'm dead.
Okay, stop moving then.
You sit up and hand to me.
Stop moving.
533.
Why are you squeezing my hand like that?
Can you stop moving?
I'm not moving.
Because if you keep moving, we're going to the ground.
Bro,
Be still.
I moved my head. I just moved.
Don't say nothing.
Cut it out.
God, bro.
Cut it
I'm
out.
not even moving. That's you. I was trying to move my phone and keys.
Well, don't move anything.
Okay, so you put the handcuffs on me
Can
like
you stop?
that.
Can you stop moving?
Do you have anything in your cards? They both need to go to jail for the shopliftings. So we can get pictures and prints, and if the jail wants to release them, we'll certainly can. But I have to see how to book them in. My car is down here.
You listen to her more than you listen to me.
Yeah.
The responding officer earns an A- for accurate statutory recitation, resource offering, and controlled physical restraint. Loss prevention earns a B+. Pattern documentation was excellent, though physical contact during flight could have been avoided by containment alone. The female subject earns a D+. Spontaneous admissions and active resistance compounded her exposure without any invocation of the Fifth Amendment. The male subject earns a C. Compliance preserved the grade, but the underlying pattern of repeated theft remains. 3 practical lessons emerge from this footage that every consumer of criminal procedure should understand. First, private merchants hold statutory detention authority that most citizens do not know exists in their home state. Second, spontaneous statements made to police during a merchant detention are fully admissible in court, even before Miranda. Third, Resisting a lawful custodial arrest converts a misdemeanor theft into an additional obstruction charge under Wisconsin Statute Section 946.41. Silence is a constitutional right. Physical resistance is not. That distinction determines the outcome of every encounter like this one. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.